Hey, I'm Cody Brakeman, Regional Sales Manager, Birmingham, Alabama, AFS, Foundation and Waterproofing Specialist. Today we are at the Birmingham Home Show, downtown Birmingham, Alabama at the BJCC. We've got two booths set up displaying what AFS offers and what we do. Foundation and waterproofing can be a little bit vague. Say, what is that? How does that work? We wanted to give our customers a chance to walk through a full-size trailer and kind of compare and contrast what they may be experiencing at their home. So the purpose of the walkthrough is to give customers a chance again to walk through and identify what they may be experiencing at their home, but also point out and maybe identify key indicators of future problems that may be arising so that they can get on this on the front end and get it taken care of. What do people say as they're walking through our booth? Wow, honey, that looks exactly like our basement. Or, hey, that is a great looking crawl space. How do I get that? Or, hey, honey, our dining room floor feels exactly like this bouncing floor does here. And, more importantly, again, this gives them a chance to not only see and experience what they may be having going on at their home, but how we fix that and how exactly that works. So being and remaining local is a key feature and probably one of the most important things about our company. We've grown and people know AFS. When you hear about foundation repair or waterproofing, usually one of the first names that comes to mind is AFS. The great news is we're right down the road. So again, we're part of the community. Our inspectors and our family here at AFS, we share the same communities, the same schools that you here in the community do. So again, we want to be friendly neighbors in any way that we can help. The great news is, again, we're right down the road.